Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Science TV. You feel we back up in this thing, you feel me? Your boy got the big cat. You know, we got Big Mama out per usual. You feel me? You already see them. Well, you probably don't. But we got them RGB lights, you feel me, and the lights. We got some down here in the grills, the upper grill. And we also got some in the hood. But you can't really see it because, you feel me, it ain't dark outside. We also, I'm going to show y'all what all I did to the car. And I do got videos on the 2 installations that I did. We put that FU on the back, you feel me? That go out to the polices and all the haters, you feel me? I ain't gonna say it because I don't think I cuss on YouTube, but y'all know what that means. We also put this little rear window spoil on there, you feel me? Get the car just a little bit more aggressiveness, you feel me, to how it look. But y'all, if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Turn your boy up because I am monetized now. You feel me? It's trying to get to this paper and keep giving y'all boy the content. So, you feel me? Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and start this bit up. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and turn that traction off, you feel me? So we can go ahead and, you feel me, start the video off. We're gonna start this bit off with a little slide. I got my girl right there. I'm finna slide around her. She's scared. She think I'm a hitter. You feel me? Start that bit out right. You feel me? I'm gonna have the outside POV of what I did for y'all boy too. You feel me? But you feel me? We finna cut off just a little bit. Not nothing too much, you feel me? Cause your boy just bought some more tires and I ain't trying to burn them up already. Let me go ahead and tell her to get in the car. And you feel me? We finna continue on with this, you feel me? Litness. All right, YouTube, so you feel me? We back got the camera rolling, you feel me? We back got the camera rolling. Y'all ain't gonna cut up too much, you feel me? But we gonna get y'all boys some good content. That's the only way. I keep forgetting how bad the roads is over here. They ain't gonna never fix the roads in the trenches. See, that bit crime. What y'all know about that Hellcat and that crime? And them loud ass downshifts. I kind of been missing my scat, y'all. Like when I first bought my scat pack, I was so happy, bro. But now we in the cat, you feel me? That cat's on serious. This bitch sound crazy. I know y'all hear this. Damn, that gas truck would get right there. What you over there scared? Nigga, we ain't finna crash. We ain't finna crash out, boy. Yeah, I was finna try to drift that whole little thing, but I ain't know what that Nissan was gonna do. If that gas truck and that car went right there, I would've, you feel me, tried to drift that whole little section. Show y'all, boy, how I'm man behind that wheel. What you laughing at? You know your life in my hand, right? So, if I hit a pole and we die, it is what it is. Let me slow down before I smack the gas truck. If I smack that gas truck, nigga, we gonna make it on the news. But I ain't gonna know it, cause I'm gonna be deceased. I'm trying to figure out if the police out. The police might be hot, you feel me? Cause a lot of people got killed yesterday. You don't see no police to the right, do you? Alright. Woo! We leave that bitch smoked out. I don't know if y'all see all that smoke behind us. He telling us to go around. Oh. But everybody love the cat, even the old people. Buddy said he was waiting on me to turn up. Nigga, you know we gonna turn up every time, nigga. Let's slow my ass down for the police. I see it's a police right there at the college. We ain't trying to get booked. Nah, we ain't stopping at that light either. Damn, we got caught by one up here though. Don't y'all like the smell of burnt rubber? Oh yeah, I forgot. I was supposed to be talking about this month. Damn, I ain't had my seatbelt on the whole time. It's okay, y'all. Don't get on my head in the comments. But y'all, I do want to say I really, really appreciate y'all for helping your boy get monetized. Like, I never thought that, like, I'd get monetized on YouTube and actually make money off YouTube. Like, I still can't believe it. But like I said, I appreciate everything y'all do for your boy. You feel me? Watching the videos, and you feel me? I'm gonna continue to give y'all this good content. I am thinking about when I'm gonna do a giveaway. Cause I'm gonna do a giveaway for the channel. I'm gonna do my first giveaway at 5,000 subs. So you feel me? Y'all go ahead and, you feel me, like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? So we can get up to that 5,000 subscriber mark, and your boy will be hosting a giveaway. The first one. And we ain't doing no scamming or whatever some of these YouTubers be doing. I'm probably gonna go live on YouTube. Feel me, do it so I can show y'all, boy, we legit. We don't take no advantage of people around here. And I also need to save my gas because I literally just lost my wallet, and somebody tried to use it too, use one of my cards. Don't let me catch you. You got to stay in that bit. You feel me? We really be bending these corners in that cat. I need to go home, you feel me? Bro, how that nigga, these people funny, bro. He said, turn that bit up. I'm talking about everybody be loving this car. It's crazy. I should have did some donuts for Brad. But now I don't want to do nothing about the school. I know the police probably be camping out somewhere over there. Dang, I can't believe I lost my wallet. It is what it is, though. Damn. But they're trying to hit me. If he hit me, I'm chasing him down. I don't want to hear no, my bad, bro. Nah. It's gonna be your bad, alright. When I put this, I ain't gonna even say it. That pat. This cat gonna put you back in that seat. On everything. If y'all boys ever think about getting a cat, bro, get it. I'm telling you, like, you would not get tired. Well, I ain't gonna say you ain't gonna get tired of the car. You might want to add a little power to it, which that's not even hard. Cause the only thing you gotta do, I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all can do. If y'all get a cat and y'all wanna make it more faster, upgrade your upper pulley, and you can run E85, and you will probably be at like maybe 870 wheel. I wanna say, yeah, y'all might be at probably like 850, 870 wheel, and that'll be plenty power. You ain't gonna be able to get no traction though from a dig. Don't even think about racing nobody from a dig, but that bit would be funner. That's what I'm thinking about doing. But y'all, I'm finna go ahead and cut the video right here. You feel me? I'm finna go ahead and, you feel me, wash up the cat. You feel me? So if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Hit that post notification bell so y'all don't miss out whenever I drop more bangers, you feel me? And we gonna end it just like this. See y'all boy next time. Peace.